Looking for the best budget iPhones in 2025? Whether you want a phone for everyday use, social media, or just a reliable device, I'll show you the top choices that won't break the bank. Let's get started. First up, we have the iPhone XR. This phone is still an entry-level option in 2025. It can handle calls, social media, and basic apps without any problem, making it a good choice if you're on a tight budget. However, the XR is starting to show its age. The performance is slower compared to newer models, the camera is limited, and future software updates may not last much longer. So, if you just need a phone that works for basic tasks and don't care about having the latest features, the iPhone XR can still do the job. But for most people in 2025, there are better options available. Next, we have the iPhone 11. This is one of the best all-around budget options in 2025. The performance is smooth, the battery life is longer than the XR, and the dual camera system still takes excellent photos. It's a solid choice if you want a reliable iPhone that can handle most apps and games without slowing down. The iPhone 11 is more future-proof than the XR, and for many people, it's the sweet spot between performance and price in 2025. Now let's talk about the iPhone SE 2022. Don't be fooled by its small size. This phone is powerful. It uses the A15 Bionic chip, which is the same processor found in the iPhone 13, making it surprisingly fast for a budget iPhone. The camera quality is good, battery life is decent, and it's compact, which many people love. If you want a modern phone that fits easily in your pocket and still performs well, the SE 2022 is an excellent budget choice in 2025. Finally, we have the iPhone 12 mini. This is the most modern option in our budget lineup. It has a sleek design, excellent cameras, and strong performance. The screen is vibrant, and it supports features like Face ID and wireless charging. While it costs a bit more than the other budget options, it's worth it if you want a newer iPhone experience without paying for the latest iPhone 14 or 15. The 12 mini is perfect for anyone who wants modern features in a compact, affordable package. So, which iPhone should you choose in 2025? If you want the absolute cheapest option and just need a phone for basic tasks, the iPhone XR can still work. For long-term value and reliable performance, the iPhone 11 or SE 2022 are excellent choices. And if you want a modern iPhone with new features at a budget-friendly price, the iPhone 12 mini is your best pick. Which one